Hi everyone, I made some fabric beads and I wanted to show you, I wanted to do a little tutorial on one and I'll show you the ones I made. I have this one, that one. I made these yesterday. Now, I wanted to put little seed beads all along, but I don't have any very thin wire for that. I know a while ago, hi Petrus. Petrus is here with me. I know a while ago I did have some of that wire and it was so flimsy. I was like, I'll never use this, so I think I got rid of it. And who knew I would need it to make some fabric beads. So, whatever, it's done. So, I will show you what I do. So, I have a piece of um, eyelash yarn here, a couple of beads, a couple of bead caps, and just a piece of fabric. This is good to use up all your fabric scraps. And I have a paper straw. So I'll show you how I made mine. I know everybody makes them different. So I just get some Fabri-Tac and I put some on my straw about the length of the fabric needed. That's all I put for now. And then I just roll it up. Sometimes I'll cut the bead if it's a little too long. We'll see how it comes out. And I roll. All right, and then I just put some Fabri-Tac on the end. Of the fabric. And then I just finish rolling it like that. All right, and then I'll cut this off. So I'm left with this. Actually, I'll cut that a little bit. All right. Then I'll just put a little bit of glue and start my eyelash ribbon. Now I chose this kind of goldish color because there's some gold in this fabric. Well, I thought that would work well. So just start it there at the end and just kind of roll till I get to this side. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, and then I just let that dry a little bit. And now's the time I would come in and get some of that very thin wire and put some little seed beads, but I'll have to pick up some more of that at another time. Now this is really like crazy, so I don't like that too much, so I'm just gonna trim it because I think it looks crazy. And some people, you might like that look. That's fine. But to me, it's just a little bit too much. So I'm just going to trim the ends of these. Let's see how's that's looking. That looks okay. Now, I don't use wire. I use a lot of head pins and I'll use eye pins. But I do have wire for this particular project. So I don't wire wrap. I don't like it. It takes too much time, whatever. So I'll show you what I do. I just take bottom part and I make a loop like that. And then I just take it and bend it back just a little bit so that it looks like that. That's what I do. You don't have to wire wrap if you don't want to. Some people like the look of it. I like the look of it, but you know what? I don't have the time. So that works just as well to make a loop. I'm going to put the bead cap. And I thought these beads went really well with this fabric. So put one of them in there. It doesn't fall. Okay, so we have that. I will string the fabric bead on, and then I will put the other bead in here and the bead cap. Okay, so it looks something like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'll show you how I make sure it's really tight. Then I take this tool, I bend it on a 90-degree angle, all right, and I'm just going to cut off what I don't need. So you only need about that much, not even, okay? I'm going to cut that, and then I'm going to take my pliers and then just make one loop around. Sometimes you need to tighten it so that it looks like that, okay? And if it's tight enough, you're all set. And here's the little bead. Here's the fabric bead. So I'll go to the store this weekend and see if they have any thin wire, and maybe I'll dress them up with some, some little seed beads. But these are the ones I made. So this one just had, this is just clear little eyelash yarn, little clear pieces. This is red, obviously. In the gold I did gold in this one too. This was a green fabric, so I did some pink with these little yellowish beads on the ends, and this was a mermaid fabric I had. So the little beads are these are called spray beads. You can get them at dollarbead.com, and these are sprayed with pink, and they're glass and crackle. So that was that bead, and I used that same bead on this one too, because this is mermaid fabric too. So I had a lot of fun making them. Let's see if I use them on anything. I don't know, not yet anyway. So I just wanted to show you how I do the fabric beads. Everyone has their own way of doing them. So if you haven't given this a try already, give it a try. Let me know how it comes out. And thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.